Hi guys, today's topic is we are going to see about ethanoic acid. First, this ethanoic acid, commonly called as acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid. What is the formula for this one? Means CH3COOH. Okay, ethanoic acid. Why this is called ethanoic acid? Acid group is present. This is acid group, and how many carbons is present here? Methane, ethane, 2 carbons is present. So this is known as ethanoic acid. Okay, commonly called as acetic acid. And do you know vinegar? Vinegar, which is used in pickles, such as a flavoring agent, which is used as a preservatives in pickles. Vinegar, which is 5.8 percentage solution of acetic acid in water, and that is known as vinegar. This acetic acid, I said no. From this acetic acid, 5.8 percentage solution of acetic acid in water, mix it with water, and that is known as vinegar, which is used in pickles. And the melting point of this acetic acid is 290 Kelvin. Okay, and in cold climates, this acetic acid get freezed. It get freezed in cold climates. So this acetic acid is also called glacial acetic acid. Okay, glacial acetic acid. Why it is called glacial acetic acid? Because in cold climate it get freeze, so it is called glacial acetic acid. Okay. Now some of the reaction we are going to see by using this ethanoic acid. So this ethanoic acid, usually acid group, how can we written? Means this like we will write. Why we are writing this like? COOH means what? Acid group. R means alkyl group. Any alkyl. It may be methyl group or ethyl group. So any alkyl will present there. So according to that, this acid group is written as like this. When this acid is going to react with alcohol group is written like this, OH. So when this acid group is reacting with alcohol, what we get means ester or CO, which is known as ester, and this process is known as esterification. Okay, I told about ethanoic acid. We are taking that acid and it is reacting with alcohol and we get ester, and this process is known as esterification. Like that, here what acid we are taking means acetic acid. Acetic acid. And what alcohol I am going to take means acetic acid, another name what I said, ethanoic acid. Okay. And this ethanoic acid is going to react with ethanol. Ethanol. It is going to react with ethanol. I get ester. What ester I get means ethyl ethanote. This is ester. Okay. So the proper reaction we will see now. So the process we are going to see here. What process I said? Esterification process. Esterification process. Now, in one beaker, I am taking 1 ml of ethanol. I said no alcohol. Ethanol I am taking 1 ml plus 1 ml of this acetic acid I am taking. And also few drops of sulfuric acid. These three things I am taking. Few amount of 1 ml of ethanol, 1 ml of acetic acid, and few drops of sulfuric acid I am taking in a beaker. Afterwards, I am just switch on the gas stove, and this is an exothermic reaction, so we have to done this reaction very carefully. So I am keeping here wire gas under the beaker. This is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means what? Heat should be outcomes. Okay, heat outcomes. Okay, after I am checking what is going to be happen, ethanol plus acetic acid and H2SO4, three things are reacting with each other, and what is going to come means ester will form. Ester will form. Okay, so what ester means? Ethyl ethanoate will form. and also some water will be separated. So we are going to write the derivation for this equation. Acetic acid formula is what? CH3COOH plus ethanol formula is what? C2H5OH. Ethanol, 2 carbon is present. 1 carbon means methanol, 2 carbon means ethanol. Here alcohol group is present, so this is ethanol. And in presence of what? Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So what is going to happen means this water will be separated and this ethyl group is going to join with this. Okay, this hydrogen is going to join with this OH and convert it into water, and this C2H5 will join it with this group. Balance things, just join and write CH3COO and this C2H5. This is known as ethyl ethanoate plus water will be separated. Okay, and this is the derivation for this esterification process. And this is ester, and this is acetic acid, and this is ethanol. This is what? Ethyl ethanoate, and this is water. Okay, this is the derivation. So here we are going to see some reactions of ethanoic acid. Previous reaction what we saw, esterification process we saw. So the first reaction, esterification. Okay, this acid is reacting with what? Acid is reacting with alcohol, that is ethanol, like that, and it is giving ester. Okay, that only we saw. What ester it gave? Ethyl ethanoate it gave. This is the first reaction, acetic acid plus alcohol in presence of acid, sulfuric acid. We got this one plus water will came out. No, so what is the use of this ethanoic acid? This use, what is the use? It is used as sweet smelling substance in making perfumes. Okay, it is used as sweet smelling substance. It is used as a flavoring agents in perfumes. Okay, this is the main use of this ethanoic acid. The other uses you can see in the next video. Thank you.